Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a gospel, Catholic style. You know those guys have special type the way they do their music, their gospel, especially when it comes to guitars as well as drum set. So let's get started. Let's see this instrument I did some days ago. Started with a kick. The kick was going like it was a running kick. Yeah, and sorry, the tempos one I used 198. Then I did this more like a bongo. You know, there's a bongo conga. Yeah, so when you add with a kick, it goes like. Then next, I made another pattern again, same kick, but I added something on the bongo. Yeah, then another bongo again, which was going like this. It was a rope as well. But it was different with that best bongo. Yeah, so again, there's these two shakers. I just pan them right and left. It's a shaker. Then I think that's the drum set. So the drum set goes like. That's the Catholic style. So after that, I did this guitar. It's a GM guitar. This one, a GML acoustic guitar. Then after that, I did some strings, just going like. Just like that. Then a bass. I used this one OMB2. This one. Yeah, that's the bass line. Then on the bass, there's some presets. The first bass, actually, fingered bass. Then I added this one, more like a string. Just following the acoustic guitar. Then another string again. It was soft legato string. I added with aerial as well as Brilliant piano from Hypersonic. Then I added again a woodwind piccolo. I added with some small strings plus wood. Just following again the guitar. Yes, and some marimba from Hypersonic marimba. from SimSynth, from this one is an inbuilt plugin. Sorry. Then I added another guitar from StrumJS. Yeah, and a raw. I use selected drum, faced drums from Hypersonic, and then this is how I did the raw. Yeah, and another one. Pipe plus lead from Sound Canvas. They are all following the same lead, but I doubled them. Yeah, to add that sweetness. Okay, that's all. Now let's hear the whole instrument. Remember, hit the subscribing button, remember to share, and click that bell so that you can receive notification whenever I post a new video. This is Straight Tray for Beginners. Thank you.